Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the bald eagle versus the golden eagle, both powerful large bird of prey. Who will win this fight between these two eagles? First, we are going to talk about the golden eagle. The golden eagle is one of the best known birds of prey in the northern hemisphere. It is mostly widely distributed species of eagle. Like all the eagle, it belongs to the family of Accipitidae. These birds are known to be dark brown with a lighter golden plumage on their names, where they get the name as golden eagle. Golden eagles are powerful flyers and they have a really powerful muscular legs which they use to hunt by grabbing the neck of their prey such as rabbits and groundhogs, squirrels and also other small birds, and they also feed on carrions or dead animals, and they also scavenge from other bird of prey or other eagles. They are very territorial and they are intolerant. They will not tolerate anything except for high abundance of food if found in them, just like the bald eagle. The golden eagle is the national animal of Mexico. Now, let's talk about the size and description of the golden eagle. Size: the golden eagle is a very large raptor, 66 to 102 centimeters in length. Its wings are broad and the wingspan is 1.2 to 2.34 meters. Golden eagle's wingspan is the fifth largest among the eagle species. Females are larger than males in birds of prey. Females of the Himalayan golden eagle subspecies about 37% heavier than males and have nearly 9% longer wings, whereas the smaller Japanese golden eagles females are only 26% heavier with around 6% longer wings. In the larger subspecies, males and females weigh typically 4.05 kilograms to 6.35 kilograms respectively. In the smaller subspecies, males weigh in between 2.5 kilograms to 2.4 kilograms and females weigh between 2.26 to 2.27 kilograms. In the species overall, males average around 3.6 kilograms and females average around 5.1 kilograms. The maximum size of the golden eagle is still debated. Now let's talk about the plumage of these birds. Both sexes have similar plumage and are primarily dark brown with some grey on the inner wing and tail and a pale typically golden color on the back of the crown, a name that gives the species its common name. Unlike other aquila species where the dorsal feathers are typically similar in color to the rest of the plumage, the dorsal feathers of the golden eagles tend to be paler, ranging from light to golden white. In addition, some full-grown birds, especially in North America, have white epithelium on the upper part of their each specular feather tract. The bill dark at the tip, fading a light horn color with yellow stripe. Like many accipiters, the bare portion of the feet is yellow. There are several differences in coloration among subspecies described as below. Now let's talk about the bald eagle. Now let's see about the golden eagle's call or vocalization. This is their vocalization to communicate with other eagles. While many accipitrid are not known for their strong voices, but golden eagles have a particular tendency for silence, even while breeding. The being said some vocalization has been recorded, usually and centering around the nesting period. The voice of the golden eagle is considered weak, high, and shrill, has been called quite pathetic and puppy-like, and skip encourages its formidable size and nature of the species. Most known vocalization seems to function as contact calls between eagles, sometimes adult to the offspring, occasionally territorial birds to intruders, and rarely between a breeding pair. In western Montana, 9 distinct calls were noted: chirp, sir, passa, and skunk, cluck, wonk, and honk, and a hiss. Now let's talk about the habitat of the golden eagle. Golden eagles are sometimes considered as the best flyers among the eagles, perhaps among all reptile birds. They are equipped with broad, long wings with somewhat finger-like indentation on the tips of the wing. Golden eagles are unique among their genus in that they often fly in a slight dihedral, which means the wings are often held in a slight, upturned V shape. When they need a flap, golden eagles appear the most labored, but this is less common than soaring or gliding. Flapping flight usually consists of 6 to 8 deep wing beats, instead with 2.3-second glides. The golden eagle lives near mountains and forested areas. They nest in highly tall trees. Now let's talk about the habitat and distribution. Golden eagles are fairly adaptable in habitat but often reside in areas with a few shaded ecological characteristics. They are best suited to hunting in open or semi-open areas and search them out year-round. Native vegetation seems to be attractive to them, and they typically avoid developed areas of any type of urban to agricultural as well as heavily forested areas. In desolated areas, for example, the southern Yukon, they can occur regularly at roadkills and garbage dumps. The largest number of golden eagles are found in the mountainous regions today, with many eagles doing majority of their hunting and nesting on rock formations. However, they are not solely tied to high elevation and can be bred in lowlands if the local habitats are suitable. Below are more detailed descriptions of habitat occupied by golden eagles in both continents where they occur. Now, let's talk about the habitat that they occupy in the Eurasian continent. In the Arctic fringe of Eurasia, the golden eagles occur along the edge of the tundra and taiga from the Koala Peninsula to Andrian in eastern Siberia. Nesting in forests and hunting over nearby Arctic heartlands, typical vegetation is stunned, fragmented larch woodland merging into low birch willow scrub and various heathland. In the rocky, wet, windy maritime climate of Scotland, Ireland, and western Scandinavia, the golden eagle dwells in mountains. These areas include upland grasslands, blanket bog, and subarctic heaths, but also fragmented woodland and woodland edge, including boreal forest. In Western Europe, golden eagle habitat is dominated by open, rough grassland, heath, and bogs, and also rocky ridges. In Sweden and Finland and the Baltic states, and almost the entire distribution in Russia all the way to the Pacific Ocean, golden eagles occur sparsely in lowland taiga forests. These areas are dominated by stands of evergreens such as pine, larch, spruce, occasionally supplemented by birch, alder stands in southern Scandinavia and the Baltic states. This is largely marginal country for golden eagles and they occur where tree cover is thin and abutts open habitat. Golden eagle taiga habitat usually constitutes of extensive peatland. Next part is the part 2 of the golden eagle versus bald eagle where I explain more details about the bald eagles. Please subscribe for more amazing animal battle videos.